Hey guys, Tyler here at Diesel Power Products. Today we have Ford's brand new F150 3.0 liter Powerstroke in the shop today. We're going to check it out. The 3.0 liter platform produces a class-leading 250 horsepower, 440 foot-pounds of torque. Now all that power is rolling through a 10-speed automatic transmission compared to the 6-speed they previously had. On top of that, best-in-class towing at 11,400 pounds and an impressive EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon highway MPGs. Right now, the diesel engine is only offered in the Lariat, King Ranch, or Platinum trim levels, and if you want to get yourself an F-150 with a diesel engine, expect to pay about $4,000 more than its gas counterpart. Being I have some experience daily driving a Ram 1500 Eco diesel, we're going to see how this Ford half-ton diesel stacks up to the success Ram had with theirs. Let's go burn some fuel. All right, guys, just hopping into the F-150 here, taking it for a spin. First impressions, the cab on this thing is huge. It feels just like an F-250 or 350. You'd expect with an F-150 you might feel a little smaller in here, but you don't. It's very comparable to an F-250 and 350, which is cool. Power-wise, I'd say it's definitely a little peppier than an Eco diesel as far as getting off the line. I know one of the major complaints with an Eco diesel was just the way that there's a massive delay in the throttle pedal, and this with this turbo system and with this engine configuration, they seem to have kind of hit the nail on the head for the throttle response on it. It definitely feels a lot more peppier than an Eco diesel stock to stock. 10-speed transmission is fantastic. Even though there's 10 gears, it doesn't feel like it's shifting all the time. You're constantly in the power, which the Eco diesel has with an 8-speed transmission, but the addition of the 2 other gears really help this thing stay in the power range, especially when towing. Some of the cool features this truck has: adaptive cruise control. It's got the engine management system that shuts the engine off when you come to a stoplight. It's got the trailer assist backup, which is crazy. Then all the cameras around this truck are even crazier. If you haven't seen the camera system on this, you get a full 360-degree view of the truck when you're backing up, which is definitely handy. Aftermarket-wise, we've got manufacturers absolutely going crazy over these things. We've got a ton of people, or a ton of manufacturers that have purchased these trucks that are developing products for them. So we're really excited to see what a lot of these companies come out with for these trucks. So some of the aftermarket items that are already out for this vehicle, well, right now there's not much. But like I said, there's a ton of manufacturers that are developing products for this that should be out shortly. As far as right now, though, if you want to pick up some parts for it, Edge has their amped throttle sensitivity booster that is available for it, so you can quicken up that throttle response even more. And also, suspension-wise with this truck, luckily they didn't change much as far as suspension is concerned, so there's a ton of carryover from the previous model years for suspension. So you can at least get the truck looking right when you get it, and then a little bit later down the road there'll be more performance mods available. I love it. I'm excited to see what the aftermarket has in store for these things. I love the half-ton diesels. I think it's really cool that a lot of manufacturers are focusing on those, because I think it's a huge market that's just going to grow more. And especially aftermarket support. These things are fun when you start adding some power mods to them. They're a really, really cool platform. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for this 2018 Ford F-150 3.0 liter Powerstroke. We are super excited that all the manufacturers are coming around and building some half-ton diesels. We're extremely excited to have all the products for them. And when you pick yours up, don't forget to check us out at www.dieselpowerproducts.com.